Hello students and welcome back to our chapter on playing with numbers. Today's topic is prime factorization. The word prime factorization means we are going to use prime numbers. We already know what are prime numbers. We are going to use only prime numbers to factorize a given number, to find the factors of the given number. Okay, we do it in this way. For example, we have 16 here. Let's do the prime factorization. You have to draw a line, write the number 16 and draw a line below it. You have to use only prime numbers. Let's start from the smallest prime number, which is the smallest prime number 2. The table of 2. The 16 has the table of 16 is there in the table of 2. Yes, it's there. So let's take 2. How many times gives us 16? 8 times. So what we need to do is we need to write the 8 times down. Okay, it goes in this way. 2 8s are 16. We know the answer, but we have to find which table and how many times it is going by. Okay, so now forget about the first part. Now we have 8 in our hands. We have to factorize 8. Okay, so can we take the table of 2 again, or the prime number 2 again? Yes, it has 8 in it. 2, how many times will give us 8? 2 4s gives us 8. So whatever it is, times are 2, 4s are 8. Okay, it goes again in this way. 2 4s are 8. We already have the answer, but we just have to find the factor, the prime number, and the times how much it will go with. Now we have 4. We have to factorize 4. Again I can take the table of 2, because the next prime number is 3. 3 doesn't have 4 in it. Okay, 2, how many times will it give me 4? 2 2s gives us 4. So 2 2s are 4. Now what is there with us now? 2. Forget about the previous steps. We have 2 with us. So which prime number again I can take? Again I can take 2. 2 1s gives me 2. Once you get 1 here, you have to stop the prime factorization because it's over. 1 is the smallest number which you can get. Okay, so 2 1s gives me 2. Okay, so we have finished. We have got 4 steps. 1 2 3 4 all have 2 in it. So therefore I will write the prime factors of 16 are all these. Write down 2 multiplied by the second 2 multiplied by the third 2 multiplied by the fourth 2. Now if you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Are you getting your number back? Yes, 16 is coming back. So that means we have finished our prime factorization for 16 properly. Let's take another example. We have the number 108 with us. Now how will I do the prime factorization? First, write the number down with the solving part. Okay, the prime numbers will come on one side, whereas the how many times it is getting factorized each step, it will come down here till we get 1. Okay, we have to factorize 108 by prime factorization method. So looking at this number, you know it is a even number because 8 is a even number. We have to look at the ones place digit to find out whether the number is even or odd. Okay, so we can take the table of 2 because 2 is the only prime number, smallest prime number and even prime number which will carry or cancel all the even numbers. Okay, so I have to find out 2 how many times will give me 108. If I sit to solve, it will take a long time. What we are going to do is, in prime factorization, you are given a chance to take same like division. You can take first time 2. Only the first time 2 digits you can take right from the highest order or highest place value. You can take 2. But afterwards, you have to take compulsorily only 1 digit at a time. Okay, only first time you are allowed. Now this is 10 number. Can 2 divide 10 how many times? 5 times. Correct. 2 5s are 10, completely divided, nothing is remaining. Now what is remaining is now 8 with us. So how many times 8 will go in table of 2? 4 times. Write it down below the other, one below the other. Now you have 54 with you. Again it is a even number, so we can still take the table of 2 prime number. Separate the numbers. It is 54, 5 and 4. Let's take the table of 2. How many times it can go? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 5 is not coming, but still I can take because there is another number, same like division. Okay, so we can keep the balance for the next number. So I will take 2 2s are 4. What is here? 5. 5 minus answer 2 2s are is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So give that balance 1 to the next number in front. Okay, so now the number is 14. 14, is it there in the table of 2? Yes. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. So I have 7. Now look at this number 27. 27 is an odd number. How do I know it? Because the last number 7 is an odd number, which makes the whole number as an odd number. So let's draw a line. Which prime number can I take? I cannot take 2 now because 2, the table of 2 has all even numbers, the multiples in it. So let's go to the next number, prime number, that is 3. 3, before writing, I have to check whether 27 is there in the table of 3. Yes, it's there. How many times? 3, how many times will give me 27? 3 9s are 27. Okay, 9 is there in the table of 3? Yes. Be careful. You cannot take 9 1s are 9. 9 is not a prime number. 9 is a composite number. And our topic is prime factorization only. So only prime numbers you can take. So 3 again. 3 3s are 9. And last 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Have you got one last? Yes. That means we have finished our prime factorization. Let's write down the statement. Therefore, the prime factors of 108 are 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. You have to multiply all together. 2 into 2, then 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And if you multiply all this together, you will get 108. Now let's do the third example. We have 980 with us. Draw the line, write 980. Draw the second line down, horizontal. One is vertical, one is horizontal, because we separate the prime numbers with its factorization, how it is getting divided. Okay, since this is a big number, let's first look at whether it is a even or odd number. This helps you to start with which prime number you can take first. Okay, so there is 0 in the ones place, which makes the whole number as even. So we can take the table of 2. Okay, now let's divide. Now let's divide the numbers so that we can solve it easily instead of sitting and multiplying to check how many times 980 is coming in the table of 2. Okay, so 9 is not there in the table of 2, but as I had said earlier, there are numbers after that following 9, so I can give the balance for the next number. 2 4s are gives me 8, 2 5s is 10. 10 is greater. Take the smallest one always. 2 4s are 8, and this is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1, so I give the balance to 8. This number now becomes 18. 18 is there in the table of 2? Yes. How many times? 2 9s are 18. Now 0, 2 zeros are 0, or the 0 follows down because it doesn't have any value, or 2 zeros are 0. Okay, now we have 490 with it, so we have to solve again with prime factorization. Still it is an even number. You can take the table of 2 to solve. 2, how many times will go with 4? 2 2s are 4. We have 9 again. We can still give a balance to 0. So 2 4s are 8. Carry 1. That was 9. Now it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. Now I have 245. 5 is an odd number and the whole thing becomes odd. Now remember one thing, when you have 5 or even 0 in the end, you can directly take the table of 5 or the prime number 5 to solve. Okay, here let's take the table of 5 to solve. Again, the first time, now look at this 2 is much smaller than the prime number 5, so you can take first 2 digits only the first time. 24 is there in a table of 5? No, but I can give a balance for the next number. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So which I can take 20 or 25. 5 4s are 20 I can take. Balance directly is 4. So I give 4 for 5 and this becomes 45. 5 9s are 45. Now you have 49. Check which table has 49 in it directly. 7. Yes, 7 is also a prime number. So I can take 7 to divide 49. 7. How many times will give you 49? 7. 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. Now I have 7. I can take the table of 7. 7 1s are 7. I have finished. So therefore I will write the prime factors of 980 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by only 1 5 multiplied by 7 and 7. If you multiply all these things, you should get 980 back. Let's take one more example. The number given to us is 33. So let's find the prime numbers or do the prime factorization for 33. 33 is an odd number. Okay, because 3 is odd, I can take the table of 3 here directly. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now I have 11. 11 can go directly with the table of 11 because 11 is also a prime number. So 11 1s are 11. Sometimes it will get over in just one step, two step or many steps. Okay, you have to be careful to use only prime numbers. So therefore I can write the prime factors of 33 are 3 into 11. Now check 3 into 11. 3 11s are or 11 3s are 33. So that's it for today. Thank you students. Take care. Stay safe.